Hey guys, welcome to another how-to video with Matt Waters. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing floating wine bottle, but first you're going to need a few things. To do this project really quick, all you're going to need to get yourself is a speed square. You're going to need to get yourself a tape measure, get yourself something to mark your measurements with. Then you need to get yourself either a drill or impact driver. Then you need to get yourself a 1.25 inch drill bit that's capable of drilling holes through wood. Then you want to make sure you got, of course, some 2x4 lumber, and then you want to make sure you got a miter saw that's capable of cutting angle cut. Alright guys, so the very next thing you need to do is go ahead and dial your miter saw in at 40 degrees. Alright, so now that you've got your saw dialed in at 40-degree angle, what you want to do is go ahead and slide it down to the very top right here. And what you want to do is go ahead and cut you a nice 40-degree angle into the end of a board. Alright, so now what we want to do is take our tape, measure down from the top of this board, and go to 9 inches. Put us a mark right here. Then I'm going to trace this line with my speed square. Alright, and using the same exact angle that we just used, I'm going to go ahead and line that up on there, and go ahead and cut out that. Alright, so there's our first part of the project, so let's go to the next thing. Alright guys, so for the next step, we want to take from our end right here, not the further tip, the top end right here, and we just want to come down and measure out 1.5 inches, throw us a mark. Then we want to take our speed square, go ahead and trace that. Then you want to put yourself a nice dead on the center mark. Now a 2x4 is not exactly 2x4 inches. It is actually 3.5 inches, right guys? So we are actually going to go 1.75 inches and put us a little mark right there. That is our dead center mark right there. So now we can take our 1.25 inch drill bit. I'm going to take my impact driver, and we can actually go ahead and drill this hole, and just make sure you drill it straight when you drill it. Over. Alright, so there is our hole. So now we can go to the next step, which will be sanding. Alright guys, so this next step, I'm just going to quickly go over every bit of this with some 180 grit sandpaper real fast, and then we'll go inside our whole area right here by hand with a piece of leftover sandpaper. So let's go ahead and hit all the ends real quick. Alright guys, so we have sanded everything down, and we have stuck our wine bottle inside to make sure it's going to balance right, and it balances just perfect guys. So you can stain this anything that you want, or paint it to match your decor. It doesn't matter. In this case, I just left it raw. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Peace.